How to change phone number in Epic Games. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily change your phone number on Epic Games. So let's get started. First, just head over to epicgames.com and from any of your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in with my account. Now simply tap on this account option over here, and once you tap on it, you can see there is account section over here. So just tap on another account option. So once you tap on this, you should be heading over to this page. And from over here, just select this password and security option. And make sure you have already enabled two-factor authentication. And then only you will be getting over to this screen. Now to simply change or add a phone number, you can simply tap on this SMS button over here to set up. So as you can see, since I want to set up any SMS number, so it will ask me to add a phone number first, but if you have already added, you can basically change it from over here as well. So now just enter your phone number just like this, and once you enter your phone number, you can basically click on continue to add or change your phone number just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informative. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.